Hi, I'm Sam from createwebsiteseasily.com, and in this video, I'll teach you how to upload an image to your WordPress website. Now, let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to have your image downloaded onto your computer. If you haven't found an image to use or want to use professional photos, I recommend these two websites. So the first website is Pexels. And Pexels is a website that's free to use. You can get all these cool photos and videos for free. All you have to do is search for a term. So I already searched beef dish, so let's search that. And as you can see, all these photos pop up. I like this one, so I'm gonna click on this and then click free to download. Now this will pop up, so just change the name of the file to whatever you want. I'm gonna change it to beef plus fries and then save it. Now you can choose to either donate or follow the person on the Instagram. It's not necessary, but I recommend supporting the artist. And now the second website is Shutterstock. This is a paid website where you pay for every photo, or you can get a membership. I recommend this one just because there's such a wide variety of photos to use and videos to use, and they're all from professional photographers who do this as their full-time job. So now let's search for beef dish again and see what pops up. As you can see, these are more professional photos, more catered to websites or advertisers and stuff like that. That's why I'm also putting this website in the mix. Now, once you have your photo, let's exit out of this. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, now go to the media section and click on it. Now all you have to do is click add new and then select file. And now just select the files you want to upload. I would like to upload this one. So I'm going to click on open, and now it will upload to your website. And this may take a couple seconds depending on your internet speed. Congrats, you've just learned how to upload an image to your website. Now before you leave this tutorial, let me just show you a couple more things. So if you click on the image that you've uploaded, you can see that there's some information up here like the file name, file type, date is uploaded on, file size, and the dimensions of your photo. You can also add alternative text, which helps you with your SEO. You can change the title, which can also help you with your SEO. Add a caption, add a description, see who it was uploaded by if you have multiple users on your website. Copy the link that it's on. You can also delete your photo permanently by clicking here. You can edit more details by clicking there, and you can edit the image by clicking here. So to recap, I've shown you where to get your photos from, how to upload your images to your website, and how to customize your images once they're on your website. This is a nice, quick, and short tutorial for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below giving me any suggestions about any website videos or topics you need help on, and feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.